KAMSIN, professional and cost-effective true experts. M66K, pneumatic clinching keeper. Meticulously manufactured. High-strength muzzle for tight squeezing, spring pull loading, and automatic feeding for quick loading and fluent usage. The high-strength muzzle made from high-quenching process ensures long-lasting and long-term use. It's easy to use. Slide the staple pusher to the end. Put the staples into the magazine. Note that it is the front side of the nails to face the muzzle. Release the staple pusher to push the staple to the nail outlet. Hook up the air compressor and start working. It's widely used, practical in making pad cages, mattress springs, wire fans, and auto car seats. Removable handle for easy installation for eliminating arm and shoulder fatigue. KAMSIN make your job easier.